आपने कहा कि the men also commit mistakes and they are irritating. तो आप में कौन सी qualities आपको लगता है कि your wife finds irritating about you?
Well, I think most of the things that I do irritates her. That's what relationships are for, so a lot of things happen. I don't know what, so generally we don't like to get into confrontation. If the questions are tough, harsh, we get up, we go somewhere, we find a place. Usually men will find a corner and they'll be happy. In my case, I cannot find a corner, so I have to get into the garage. अरे मुझे वो बाइक बनानी है यार, I'll forget otherwise.
वहाँ जाके कैंडी क्रश.
नहीं कैंडी क्रश नहीं, फिर वो बाइक में लग जाते हैं. Because the bike never complains. Even if you do it wrong, I don't know why you're laughing. I'm serious. Has your bike ever complained?
ये कोड बनेगा आपके नाम से.
No, but that's how it is, And my wife now, even if I tell her, okay, let's go for a ride. She's like, no. गाड़ी में जाना है तो बात करो, बाइक में नहीं जाने वाला. I'm like, happy, okay, I'll go for a ride and I'll come back.
Nice.
So if not confrontation, how does the ice break?
Sorry?
How does the ice break between two of you?
कि लड़ाई हो गई है तो अभी लड़ाई end कैसे करते हो आप?
So initially, this I'm talking about 2010-11. So initial that breaking in period. So at times she would get angry with me and she won't talk to me. She won't talk to me for 3-4 days, 5 days. I was like, okay with it. Then she realized, if I fight, if I'm quiet, he's happier. The game plan changed. So now she
कैप्टन कूल बनने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है?
She fights or we fight. That's better way to put it. So whenever we fight, she goes outside, she comes back, and as if she never fought with me. I still have it, like we had a fight. She's like, hardly matters. She's moving on in life.
आपको लगता है सिर्फ आप ही cool हो क्या? I am also cool as cucumber.